Hi, this is Kit Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. What are important elements of email etiquette? I receive a lot of emails every day because colleagues seek my advice and counsel. Business associates really like to consider my perspective. Sometimes, because I'm so busy, I worry that I may not be as effective as I could be. Can you help me out with that? I would recommend that you consult your organization's rules for email use. Include a subject line, of course, that is short, concise, and to the point. Keep the email message brief. Keeping your email copy brief can get your point across quickly and save time for your reader. When you hide the main objective of your message within a lengthy email, your reader may be less likely to respond in the way you hoped. Pay attention to grammar and spelling and be sure to proofread. I know, your email may have a built-in proofreading tool, but it's still a good idea to look over your email before sending it out. Reread your email and see if it represents a pleasant tone. Even though you're not speaking face-to-face with your email recipient, your tone of voice will come through in your words. Use upbeat phrases like, "I hope you're having a good day," or "thanks for," or just a friendly reminder about, "please let me know, looking forward to hearing from you." Be polite and professional at the beginning with salutations like "Dear Mary," or "Good morning, Mark," or "Good afternoon, Nancy," "Good evening, Nick," and at the end with closing such as "best regards," "with regards," "kind regards," "warmest regards." But respond in a timely manner. That's what's most important. Whenever a team member or client reaches out to you, they're doing so for a reason. Respond as quickly as you can. Make sure that not only are you going to leave an out of the office message or you're unavailable for a certain period of time, be sure to set up an automatic response so people won't wonder why you haven't responded. Be aware of the formality of your word choice. Mirror the formality of the other person and maintain the highest level of formality until the other person indicates otherwise. Now let's talk about that carbon copy line or the CC field. If you're drafting the email, place the higher status person in the recipient line and the subordinate in the CC line and only address the higher status person in the email. Now, if you're receiving an email and your name is in the CC line or field, you need not respond to the email messages unless you can't handle an assignment in the time frame expected. Now, if you're drafting a group email, rank order the recipients in the recipient line and address people in the email in the order of rank. What great advice. What you're suggesting would only take just a few seconds to consider, but considering the positive impact these strategies would have in my professional relationships, it's important. As soon as I get back to my office, I'll send you an email to prove it. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. What are important elements of email etiquette? If your organization is struggling with writing clear and concise emails, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I'll provide a seminar that has the right impact in your emails.